Today's video is about using natural foods from your kitchen to lower your blood pressure, and today we have 7 foods that we'll talk about. And don't forget to consult with your doctor before starting any home remedies. And also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you want to see more videos like this. And please watch to the end. Studies have shown that 1 in 3 Americans suffering from high blood pressure, and this I think is an alarming rate, and we need to do something about that. Our diet plays a significant role, and therefore we have to be responsible to take care of our bodies by eating right and exercising. The first food we will talk about is walnuts. Walnuts are a rich source of omega-3 fatty acid. It contains alpha-linolic acid, which is positively effective for blood pressure. It is high in fiber, magnesium, and polyphenols. Studies show that just eating a half a cup of walnut a day can have tremendous benefit on your blood pressure, especially for people who are at risk for cardiovascular disease. Next, we look at beetroot or beetroot juice. Beets are naturally high in nitrates, which the digestive system converts into nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes and widens blood vessels and in turn lower your blood pressure. Beets have been used since ancient time in blood pressure related illnesses, and studies have shown that 1 glass of beetroot juice a day is enough to reduce your blood pressure significantly in people who have high blood pressure. So therefore, beet is good for you. It is also a good source of fiber. Next, we look at flaxseed or flaxseed oil. Flaxseed is high in fiber, and flax have lignans present in the flaxseed which are beneficial in making sure blood pressure stay under control. These lignans are also helpful in improving digestive health, lowering blood pressure, diabetes, risk of bad cholesterol, cancer, and arthritis. Studies show that people who eat an average of 3 tablespoons of flaxseed a day for 6 months saw their blood pressure lower by at least 10%. So if you're not sure how to consume flaxseed, here are some ideas. You can grind them and put them in your smoothie, your yogurt, your soup and salads. You can also soak them overnight and consume them in the morning when they are nice and soft and jelly. And that's something that I do from time to time, as well as put it in my smoothie. Next on the list is tomatoes. Tomatoes are excellent source of vitamin A and C. It contains potassium, carotenoids, to name a few. These protect the body from free radicals and help relaxes the wall of the blood vessel, which help to counteract the reaction of sodium, which raises blood pressure. Looking for an easy way to consume tomato? Well, just sip on some tomato juice throughout the day. A glass of unsalted tomato juice is good for you for the day. You can make your own by blending your tomato, and you can strain them or drink it as is, but look out for the salt and please get unsalted because that's not good for your blood pressure, okay? The next food we look at is spinach. Spinach is packed with potassium, magnesium, and folate, which helps to counteract the reaction of salt in your body, which cause high blood pressure. The compound called lutein in spinach is instrumental in preventing the thickening of the wall of the arteries, which help reduce the risk of stroke and blood pressure. It is very easy to consume spinach every day. You can have them raw as is. You can just lightly steam them, put them in your smoothie, you can make salad, and you can put them on your sandwich instead of lettuce. And we can never go on without talking about garlic. Garlic has been linked to improve cardiovascular health. It is also known to lower blood pressure, cholesterol, and plasma lipid. Also, the active ingredients allicin in garlic is known to help boost the immune system and help fight bacteria in the body. I know garlic is very potent, but it's good for you. It's a natural antibiotic as well. And the best way to do garlic is to have it raw, and you can crush it or mince it and leave it to sit for about 10 minutes to activate that allicin in it. And that is how potent it is, and it will be more beneficiary to you when you do that. You can also use it in all your cooking. Even if you're scrambling egg, you can use it, but try and consume garlic every day. It's good for you. You can also blend garlic in your smoothies. You can eat it in your salad, and you can roast them in the oven. That is very good. Just sprinkle with some olive oil. You can roast it in the shell, in the skin that it's in. And you can also take garlic supplement. It's just as good, but having the raw garlic is much better. Last but by no means least, we're looking at beans, and in particular we're looking at white beans. White beans are very good for the heart because not only is it a good source of fiber and potassium, it's got magnesium and is high in protein. White beans are especially high in calcium, which helps the blood vessels to dilate and keep the blood pressure in check. You can soak the dry beans overnight and then cook them, or you can use a can. It's just as good, and consume it as often as you can. You can use it in your salads, in your soup, in your stew. You can make a sauce with it, gravy. There's a lot of ways you can consume these beans, but make sure you have some white beans. Overall, adding these foods to your daily diet will help you to reduce your high blood pressure, and it will also improve your overall health. And make sure when you can, do a little bit of exercise by just walking 15-20 minutes a day. Help yourself to help your health. So now you know that these natural foods will improve your blood pressure. Go ahead and make them part of your daily diet. And remember, don't start any diet unless you consult with your doctor. So be well, eat well, and live well. This is Nature's Way.